Hello, my name is Alan Lumsden. I'm the chairman of the Department of CV Surgery at Houston Methodist Hospital. On behalf of the DeBakey Heart and Vascular Center, I welcome you to join us for the Cardiovascular Fellows Boot Camp. This will take place here at Houston Methodist Research Institute, and you'll be housed in the beautiful Hotel Zaza in Texas Medical Center. This is a really unique opportunity where vascular surgery senior integrated residents and first-year fellows can learn side by side with fellows in cardiac surgery, cardiology, and CV anesthesia in a multidisciplinary approach and learn from the basics to the newest developments. There'll be expert-led interactive lectures, and these are complemented with hands-on training in the Methodist Institute for Technology, Innovation, and Education. These will include demonstrations in ultrasound-guided access, cadaver dissections, and the principles of this are to try and teach you early, teach you broadly, and teach the basics. The full schedule of lectures and hands-on stations and events can be found on our website, along with complimentary registration, travel, and lodging. We're offering a stipend on a first-come, first-served basis for qualified attendees. We hope you'll join us, and we look forward to seeing you here in Houston in August. Thank you.